Subscribe to Bootstrap Station if you haven't, and today we are going to update both Android Google Chrome and System Web View. So they are not getting updated, you can see. So first of all, you have to go to the settings of your Android mobile and search for APP app, and you have to look for the list of apps. Here it is in my case. In your case, you may find somewhere else. So just look for where your app list are. Now go to the app list and click on here and click on show system. Now search for Play, PLAY. Now click on Google Play Store, click on force stop and click on force stop. Now go to storage uses and click on clear data. Click on OK. Go back again. Same you have to do for Google Play services. So click on it. Go to storage uses and click on clear data. Now click on clear all data and click on OK. The data has been cleared. Good. Now go back to the settings of your app list. Here it is, the same app list, and search for Chrome. Click on it. Click on force stop. Click on force stop. Click on storage uses and click on clear data and click on clear all data. Click on OK. Same you have to do for Android System Web View. So go to the app list again. Here it is, app list. First of all, you have to click on these three dots, click on show system, and now search for web view. And here it is, Android System Web View. Force stop, click on force stop. Now go to storage uses, click on clear data and click on OK. Now we have done everything. Now just launch Play Store again and go to my apps and games. Now it is checking for the update, and if you click on update all, you can see that it is showing pending, and now it is about to update both of the apps. Just wait for it. In the notification bar, you can see that it is getting downloaded, right? And now you can see that it is downloading Google Chrome. And now it is downloading Android System Web View. And you can see that we have updated both of the apps, Google Chrome and Android System Web View. So please subscribe to Bootstrap Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.